not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, TechChimp. Today, we will talk about how to customize Google Chrome. So let's start. First of all, open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots, then hover over the extension option. Here, click on the Chrome Web Store. It will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. Enter Bonjour into the search box. So this is the Chrome extension that we're going to use to customize Google Chrome. Click on the Add to Chrome button, then click the Add extension button. It will add this extension to your Google Chrome browser. Click on Keep it to save this as a startup page. You can see that the startup page has been changed, but we have to make some more changes to make it more beautiful. Click on the settings icon. In the background module, we can have the option to change the background. The background has been changed. You can add your own background as well. Click on Background Type and select Local File. Now click on the Upload Background Here button, then select the image you want to use as a background. I am using this tiger's wallpaper. You can change blur intensity from this range, and the same is true for brightness. Let's add some social links to this. The website name and link here, like this. I am adding more quick links like Google, Twitter, and YouTube. So our quick links have been successfully added. There are more options, like enabling and disabling time. And you can change the digital clock to an analog clock. If you enable show seconds, it will be added to the clock. You can enable or disable weather and greetings as well. If you want to show notes, then click on this button to enable it. I want to show the search bar here, so enable it. Every search will open a new tab. You can change search engines from the list, like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Baidu. We have the option to show quotes. If you want it, then enable it from here. Let's test our search bar here, entering my YouTube channel name, TechChimp, here, then clicking on the search button. The result has been opened in a new tab. So guys, if you want to customize Chrome, then follow this video. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.